Well, Brittany, I talked to the folks at DEQ earlier today, and they told me that they have decided not to appeal the court's ruling. Instead, they essentially have to start the administrative process all over again. Oregon's climate protection program was put in place in 2022, and at the time, it was seen as one of the strongest laws in the nation aimed at lowering greenhouse gas emissions. But it will likely be at least a year before it goes back into effect.
We still disagree with the ultimate decision, but we're accepting it and moving forward.
That's Lauren Wertis, a spokeswoman for the Department of Environmental Quality. The program, which would cut Oregon's greenhouse gas emissions by 90% by 2050, was invalidated by an appeals court in December. That was after a number of oil and gas utilities and business groups sued to block the plan. The court ruled that the state failed to meet some disclosure requirements in the rulemaking process. Now, the department could have appealed the ruling, but Wertis said that might have delayed the process even further.
The process of appealing is really uncertain and really long. It could set us into 2025 before we even hear back from the Supreme Court.
The new rulemaking process will take an estimated 12 months, and
yes, while we're doing the rulemaking, the climate protection program is not in effect.
That could leave businesses wondering what the eventual outcome will be, something Wertis said the state was hoping to avoid.
We do understand that this creates a lot of uncertainty for businesses, and really the point of cap and trade programs is to have this slow and certain process by which we decline greenhouse gas emissions.
Now, experts have been clear for many years that reducing our emissions will be crucial if we want to avoid the worst consequences of climate change. And having to redo the whole bureaucratic process will likely make that more difficult. But given the circumstances, Wertis said it was the best path forward.
Our priority is to protect climate in Oregon, and this was the shortest path to do so.
Now, if you want to make your voice heard on this issue, the Environmental Quality Commission, those are the folks that approve the policies and rules for DEQ, is meeting tomorrow, and they're taking public comment. You'll have to register first, though, and we've got a link where you can do so up right now at kgw.com. Brittany, Tim?
All right, Cale, thank you. Great information there.